Hey there. I know you're here because sleep hasn't always come easily, and that's something so many of us struggle with. Tonight, I want to take you on a gentle journey through the stages of sleep, what your mind and body naturally move through each night. My hope is that by understanding these stages, you might find a little more peace as you drift off, knowing what's happening within you as you rest. Settle in, get comfortable, and just listen. Let the day melt away as we talk about what makes a good night's sleep. Picture it like a journey, one where you're slowly floating from one stage to the next, resting and restoring along the way. Light sleep, easing into rest. Imagine yourself lying down at the end of a long day, the weight of the day gradually lifting as you sink into your bed. You start to feel that gentle pull, that sweet drowsiness drawing you into the first stage of sleep, what we call light sleep. This is where the journey begins. Light sleep is like a soft, inviting hand guiding us from wakefulness into rest. In these early moments, your muscles relax, your breathing slows, and your heartbeat finds a gentle rhythm. It's a calm, safe space that helps ease us away from the world of the day, gently closing the door behind us. Picture yourself drifting, like floating on a calm lake at sunset. You feel the last bits of tension in your body melting away, and with each breath, you sink just a little deeper. Light sleep may not be the deepest rest, but it's where we begin. We need this transition. It's our body's way of saying, it's okay to let go now. Many people spend around half of their night in this stage, moving in and out of light sleep. If you've ever felt yourself twitch or jerk as you're falling asleep, that's your body releasing the last bits of tension. It's a reminder to let go and surrender to the journey. Deep sleep, the body's restoration zone. After light sleep, imagine yourself sinking a bit deeper, like floating downward through soft, warm layers of air. This is where we enter deep sleep, sometimes called the body's restoration zone. Here, everything becomes calm and quiet, almost like the stillness of a deep forest at night. In deep sleep, your heartbeat and breathing slow to their lowest pace, and your body enters its most relaxed state. Imagine every cell, every muscle, every tiny part of you letting go. This stage is all about healing. It's a time when your body is hard at work, even though you're completely at rest. Think of deep sleep as nature's gentle workshop. Your muscles repair, tissues rebuild, and your immune system gets a boost, all while you're lying still and peaceful. If you've had a physically intense day, your body craves this time to restore itself. In the morning, you might wake up feeling stronger, more refreshed, and ready to face a new day. Imagine your brain too, gently sweeping through, clearing out what it no longer needs. Deep sleep is like a cleansing wave, washing away the clutter and preparing you for the next day. As we grow older, we naturally spend less time in this precious stage, but when we're here, it's a gift, a time to truly, deeply rest. REM sleep, the mind's playground. After your body has done its healing work in deep sleep, you begin to float upward again, like gently rising from those peaceful depths. This brings you to REM sleep, or rapid eye movement sleep, where your mind enters a world all its own, a world of dreams. REM sleep is where our dreams live, a place of color and movement, where the mind processes thoughts, feelings, and memories. Your brain becomes active, creating stories and images, sometimes vivid and sometimes vague, as it works through the emotions and experiences of the day. During REM, your body is still, almost like it's held in a peaceful pause, allowing your mind to wander safely. Imagine a soft, cozy theater inside your mind, where dreams play like gentle, drifting clouds. It's here that your emotions are processed, creativity flows, and your mind sorts through memories, storing what matters and letting go of the rest. Each time you go through a REM cycle, your brain gets a chance to renew itself, giving you a fresh start for the day ahead. By morning, this stage becomes longer, helping you wake up with a sense of mental clarity and emotional resilience. How these stages work together. a continuous flow. As the night goes on, you don't stay in any one stage. Instead, you cycle through light sleep, deep sleep, and REM, like waves coming and going. Each complete cycle takes about 90 minutes, with each stage working in harmony to give you complete rest. In the early hours, your body spends more time in deep sleep, focusing on physical restoration. As morning approaches, you float through longer REM stages, giving your mind the space it needs to dream and reset. It's like a rhythm, a peaceful flow that carries you through the night. When you think of sleep, try not to focus just on hours. Instead, think of it as a journey. Moving smoothly through these stages is what makes sleep refreshing, what helps you feel whole when you wake. And if you have nights where you feel restless, remember that it's okay. Each night is a new chance to find balance, to let go, and to let your body and mind do what they know best. Before we close, let's take a moment to prepare for your own sleep tonight. Close your eyes and take a slow, deep breath in and let it out, releasing any tension you might be holding. Imagine yourself floating, gently drifting from one layer of rest to another. Breathe in deeply, and as you exhale, feel your body becoming heavier, more relaxed. With each breath, let yourself sink a little deeper, knowing that tonight, your body will guide you through these stages, helping you rest, recover, and restore. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. Each night, we all go through these rhythms, healing ourselves bit by bit. Thank you for joining me tonight. May your journey through sleep be peaceful, and may you wake up tomorrow feeling refreshed and ready for the day ahead.